Hello everyone and welcome back to my Canada Immigration Explore YouTube channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to apply online for employment insurance benefits and leave in Canada. Let's begin. To start, go to Google and search for EI or Employment Insurance Benefits. The first link that appears on your screen will be the one you need to click on. Additionally, you can access the employment insurance link directly by visiting the website, canada.ca. Now, let's talk about EI maternity and parental benefits. What these benefits offer. Employment insurance maternity and parental benefits provide financial assistance to people who are away from work because they're pregnant or have recently given birth, parents who are away from work to care for their newborn or newly adopted child. You could receive 55% of your earnings, up to a maximum of $650 a week. Now, let's talk about first maternity benefits. Maternity benefits are only available to the person who is away from work because they're pregnant or have recently given birth. They can't be shared between parents. The person receiving maternity benefits may also be entitled to parental benefits. Now let's understand parental benefits. Parental benefits are available to the parents of a newborn or newly adopted child. You must choose between two options: standard parental benefits, extended parental benefits. Your choice determines the number of weeks and the weekly amount you'll receive. If sharing, each parent must choose the same option and submit their own application. Parents can receive their weeks of benefits at the same time or one after another. Although you don't have to take weeks of parental benefits consecutively, you must take them within specific periods starting the week of your child's date of birth or the week your child is placed with you for the purpose of adoption. These periods are: standard parental, within 52 weeks, 12 months, extended parental, within 78 weeks, 18 months. Before you apply, consider carefully whether standard or extended parental benefits are better for you. Once a parental benefits payment has been made for the birth or adoption, the option, standard or extended, can't be changed. Now, let's understand maternity and parental benefits overview. Maternity benefits can be followed by parental benefits. You can apply for both at once. Standard parental, up to 40 weeks can be shared between parents, but one parent cannot receive more than 35 weeks of standard benefits. Extended parental, up to 69 weeks can be shared between parents, but one parent cannot receive more than 61 weeks of extended benefits. Benefit rate and weekly max as you can see on your screen to better understanding. Now, let's understand examples of maternity and parental benefits. Natalie is taking time off work to recover from childbirth. She is sharing parental benefits with her partner to care for their newborn. She takes the maximum, 15 weeks of maternity, 35 weeks of standard parental, 50 weeks total for Natalie. Her partner can apply for up to 5 weeks of standard parental benefits to care for the baby. If Natalie chooses to take fewer weeks of parental benefits, her partner can apply for more. Have a look examples of maternity plus extended parental benefits. Kelsey is taking time off work to recover from childbirth. She is sharing extended parental benefits with her partner to care for their newborn. She takes the maximum, 15 weeks of maternity, 61 weeks of extended parental, 76 weeks total for Kelsey. Her partner can apply for up to 8 weeks of extended parental benefits to care for the baby. If Kelsey chooses to take fewer weeks of parental benefits, her partner can apply for more. Now, let's understand EI maternity and parental benefits for your qualify. The information provided serves as a general guide, but they urge you to apply for benefits as soon as possible and allow us to determine your eligibility. You're pregnant or have recently given birth when requesting maternity benefits. You're a parent caring for your newborn or newly adopted child when requesting parental benefits. Your regular weekly earnings from work have decreased by more than 40% for at least 1 week. You accumulated 600 insured hours of work in the 52 weeks before the start of your claim or since the start of your last claim, whichever is shorter. If you had a recent claim, if you received employment insurance benefits in the past 52 weeks, you may not be eligible to receive the maximum number of weeks of maternity or parental benefits. However, if you've worked enough hours since your last claim, you may be able to start a new claim. Contact them to find out what's best for your situation. If you get sick or require bed rest during pregnancy, if you have health complications during pregnancy, You could be eligible for sickness benefits or for maternity benefits earlier. You must meet the conditions for each benefit. If you're not a Canadian citizen, if you have a valid social insurance number, you may be eligible for maternity and parental benefits. If you plan to travel outside of Canada, contact Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada to find out how this may impact your situation. Now let's understand eligibility period for maternity benefits and parental benefits. Maternity benefits: you can start receiving maternity benefits as early as 12 weeks before your due date or the date you give birth. You can't receive these benefits more than 17 weeks after your due date or the date you gave birth, whichever is later. Parental benefits: you must take parental benefits within specific periods starting the week of your child's date of birth or the week your child is placed with you for the purpose of adoption. These periods are: standard parental, within 52 weeks, 12 months, extended parental, within 78 weeks, 18 months. Maternity and parental benefits: how much you could receive. The exact amount you receive will be determined once your application is processed. The number of weeks of benefits you get depends on the benefit type you choose and if you decide to share the benefits with other parents. The amount you receive depends on your insurable earnings before taxes in the past 52 weeks or since the start of your last claim, whichever is shorter. Insurable earnings include most of the different types of compensation from employment, such as wages, tips, bonuses and commissions. The Canada Revenue Agency determines what types of earnings are insurable. Some employers provide additional money to employees on maternity or parental leave. This is called a top-up. Check with your employer to find out if they offer a top-up. If your weekly earnings vary or your income changes, to calculate your benefit amount, we use a specific number of your highest paid weeks of employment. We call these your best weeks. The number of best weeks we use is based on the unemployment rate where you live. It could be between 14 and 22 weeks. If your weekly earnings vary or your income changes, your best weeks can impact your benefit amount. In my upcoming video, I will discuss how to estimate your benefits or understand the calculation methods we use. To determine the number of best weeks used to calculate your benefit amount, you must first identify your economic region. Once you have this information, you will need to determine your average insurable earnings, before taxes, for those weeks. It's worth noting that the province of Quebec is responsible for providing maternity, paternity, parental, and adoption benefits to its residents, and you can visit the Quebec Parental Insurance Plan for more information. In the end, I would like to request you please like the video and subscribe Canada Immigration Explore YouTube channel and also share this video to your friends and family members for Canada immigration updates. Thank you, see you in the next video, take care.